Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to apply for financial aid on Coursera. To apply for financial aid, fill out an application that includes information about your educational background, career goals, and financial circumstances. Commit to abiding by their honor code and code of conduct. If financial aid is available for a specific course, you can find it on the Coursera description page before you enroll. To check if financial aid is available, open the course description page before you enroll. Now scroll down to the FAQ section. If financial aid is available, it will be listed under the More Questions section to the right of the FAQs. If financial aid is available, you can apply for it. Next to where it lists financial aid available, click Learn More. Then continue to Application, fill out and submit your application. Make sure your application meets the minimum word count. Wait up to 16 days for your application to be reviewed. Keep in mind that your financial aid application will be cancelled if you start a free trial for subscription. If you'd like to apply for financial aid to take a specialization, you'll have to submit a separate application for each course. Once you complete each course, you can submit a new application for the next course in the specialization. Your financial aid application will be cancelled if you start a free trial for subscription while it is being reviewed. If you already started a free trial and still want your application to be reviewed for approval, you can cancel your free trial and reapply once the free trial ends. If you're approved for financial aid, you'll receive a discount of the cost of the course. It offers financial aid to help empower learners who wouldn't otherwise be able to afford paid content on Coursera. If your application is denied, you'll get an email explaining the reason why. If there's an issue with your application, you can fill out another application and apply again. Unfortunately, Coursera cannot transfer payments or financial aid across different courses. Financial aid only applies to the course that which the application was approved. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.